When installing Dripline, it's important to understand the best layout option for the area you plan to irrigate. For small landscape beds and garden installations, a simple EZ layout can usually get the job done. But for larger areas, it's a good idea to use a supply header to ensure an even flow throughout the zone. A header is simply the supply line that is used to connect your water source to the drip line in your grid. Oftentimes, systems are designed using 17mm blank tubing as the supply header, but this option cannot support the flow rates of larger zones using between 5 and 8 gallons per minute. For center and end-fed designs, we recommend using 3/4 inch tubing to support the higher flow rates of large zones. In order to transition to the 17mm drip line, you'll need fittings like these. Landscape Products header fittings offer design flexibility to create any desired drip line layout. Similar solutions from other manufacturers come with fittings pre-installed on rolls of tubing at fixed intervals, which restricts design options with regards to spacing. Header fittings from Landscape Products allow you to design your zone with the spacing that best suits your situation. The header is assembled by inserting the 3/4 inch poly tubing into the compression ends of the fitting. A barbed connection on the fitting allows you to make the transition to 17mm drip line. Be aware that these fittings are rated at a maximum of 50 psi, so be sure to install a pressure regulator or drip zone kit like this that includes a pressure regulator along with a control valve and filter.